delicious and easy Valentine's dessert, served in a latte mug. I made a vanilla and orange zest cake, poured it in heart-shaped pans, and used one layer for this dessert. Okay, first thing I did was to cut my cake into squares, and I added layers and layers of cocoa powder and powdered sugar. I had an earlier video that I had made graham crackers dipped in chocolate, and I had orange rinds on top, and also chocolate covered strawberries or chocolate dipped strawberries. So I am going to add that to our coffee cake and ice cream and make it just look beautiful. For this dessert, I think you need some kind of cake, vanilla cake or even a sponge cake. And you need ice cream. You can use any flavor, strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla that I'm using here. I thought vanilla would go really well with strawberries and graham crackers. And then some kind of sauce, like a chocolate sauce or caramel sauce, would add more texture and more moisture to the whole dessert. I make different versions of this dessert all through the year. In summertime, I use fresh berries and maybe add a chocolate sauce or like a strawberry sauce, and make it very summery and very light. And sometimes I even get a cake and bring it home and cut it into pieces and add all my delicious ingredients to the cake. And one more way that I add even more flavor to this dessert is I make espresso coffee and I pour it over the cake after I have cut it into pieces, let it sit for a few minutes, and then transfer it to my latte cup and add all my ingredients to the cake. That's usually very, very good too. That looks good, doesn't it? Happy Valentine's Day.